Many challengers have tried to carve their legacy in rallying. Looking back after a decade away, we realize that the passion for motorsports has never left us. No matter how many times we stumble, no matter how many setbacks, we rise again and again. Because rallies are proving grounds that make us stronger and help us build even safer cars. We know that this year's champion machine cannot win if it stays the same. So we take the next challenge head on. Live the adventure. Love the adventurer. Drive your ambition. MITSUBISHI Motors.